Hello everybody. Today I would like to show how I am using a function in Google Sheet to track the stock market. And there is a function in Google Sheet which is used to provide the stock markets for the time period selected, and this can be done using the function in the Google Sheet called Google Finance. So this is the setup I have created here. So basically, if you select the cell, and this shows the Google Finance function. So just open the Google Sheets, and if you have a Google account, you can access Google Sheets. This is free of charge. So basically, you can select a cell in the sheet and type equal to and Google Finance, and then you have to include bracket open, and then select a cell where you will be going to type the ticker symbol for the stocks, and this is mostly for the US stocks, and then comma, you can include the price, and then comma within quotes, of course, and then comma, and then within quotes you have to include the start date. And I have referenced a cell here again called B4 to indicate the end date, which is currently today. I have included that, and then the frequency, which is within quotes daily. So if you include like this information, you can basically you will be able to track the information for the selected period on the closing of the day. What is the cost of the stock that would be selected, and after that, so once we close the bracket, the system fetches the data from the server, and makes a table of the information for each close. What are the stock price, and that information can be converted into a graph, and so this will provide you a visualization of the stock price for the selected period. So basically, you have for each stock, you have the stock ticker symbol. For example, there are certain exhibited here, so you can just, if you are keen in searching certain stock price for a selected period, you can select the dates, as I mentioned, the start and the end date, and you can have a chart. So step by step of further, if you would like to refer, I will put a link into my share folder about how we can do it, a step-by-step procedure. It will be in my blog, and you can refer there as well. Thank you very much. I hope this information was helpful, and you will try these tools and these functions for your benefit. Thanks a lot. I will come up with another video. Until then, this is signing off. Anand is signing off.